Hello everybody. Today I'm back with 10 9s are 90. So we are really close to 100.
Yay!
This is 10 9s. When it will be 10, when the 9 will change to 10, it will be 100. 10 10 100. So let's start. So look, there will be these topics. Follow the directions, spatial problems, analogies, quizzes.
Very good.
So let's start. The first one is complete the faces by in the directions below. Let's take one of my color things. Make face one happy. Ooh. Let's. It's time to use my double pencil.
Yay!
I choose. I like red and orange, but which one should I choose? Maybe I should take the orange with green. Which should I choose out of these? Oh, I choose the orange actually. So let's make the face one happy.
Yay! Okay, so what is the next?
Next thing is give face. I like it. It's time to use it. This time shall I use red? Let's see how will it look.
Red hat.
Red hat. And him in the red hat.
You want to make its face also?
Okay.
Very good. He's also happy.
He's also happy. And give face 3 red hair. Oopsie, I used a double thing.
No problem.
Maybe if never mind, I can still use red.
Yes. He has any hairstyle or any no hairstyle?
No hairstyle, like this only.
Okay.
He's also happy. He said, I'm happy being me.
Yes. Now the last one.
The last is give face for funny face and black hair. I need this one. And how about shall I use yellow with it?
Okay.
It's time to start working. Look at this.
Very nice.
Now
go to second.
this is the second. Follow direction. Now is direction. Circle and count the small hearts. Mark tick on big triangles. Only 3.
Okay.
Mark cross on small circles. Two, 3, and there are only 3 again. Color Color big triangles purple. Color big triangles purple.
How many big triangles are there? 3, right? You have counted.
Yes. So now I need my color pencil. This one. This is my color pencil.
That's it.
Yeah. The 4 questions are finished. There are 2 4s and 2 3s. That means it is equal.
Okay. Go to next question.
So, follow the directions and tell what you got. Maybe so. A C H I. I don't know what will come. That's an oval. Ta-da!
So what have you got?
Saachi! It's Saachi in a necklace of my name.
Yes.
It's my name. Saachi. Saachi.
Very good. Go to next. So 3 are done.
The same spot when copying. I think I need my color pencils again. Purple. The color purple. Red. And light blue. So purple will be in the middle. On the last. Hey, it's not working.
You can use crayon. It's one more blue dot. You can finish that.
With no mistakes. Now purple.
Yes. That's it. Go to 5th.
Flower bound.
Flower petals.
To have made for example. To have made for example. See? I have to draw it around. I shall choose this one. Ta-da!
Very good.
A good flower.
You go to next.
They're eating food. The flower is eating food. Sunrise. So I have to grid the puzzle. Read the grid and fill in the blanks. I have to copy this.
Find the
See, I have to
coordinates.
find the one and the coordinates. I have to find letter and see the number which is the one.
Which shapes and
Which shapes and sizes.
okay, what is the first one?
B3.
Can you spot B3?
I can spot B and here's the 3. 3, 3, 3. I am Mr. 3. I'll draw the red. I have colored the red circle.
C4. C4. What is that?
It's C4. Light green. B. 4. 4. Orange.
No green. No more green, right?
Yes. No more purple now. Only red, green, and orange. No purple was coming. No.
Okay, next. 7.
7. block of the first row. Ah, now I got it.
Yes.
Write your name in the first block of the first column. First block of the first column. First block of the first column. First block. First column.
Yes. This is right.
Here.
Yes.
There. Square, Saachi, and heart.
Mm.
Then match up and follow part of colors. That's easy peasy lemon squeezy. I can use my colors. Four, two, six. Then six to five. What have you got? A design. A beautiful design.
Okay. Then 2 left.
Okay. So look, it is many questions and it is a quiz. So I have to so write your name in the top right corner.
Which is the top right corner?
This is the top and this is the right corner.
Very good.
I'll with pink. First, Saachi. Up, and away.
Next.
So now, next step is to take the extra paper and fold it into half.
Mm-hmm. How you make it half? Yes.
Fold it in one more time. Wave your left hand.
This is left. Left. Smile.
Right thumbs up.
Mm.
Draw any 3 shapes on the folded paper. Show the shapes and fold the
So which shapes you have drawn, Saachi?
circle, heart, and rectangle.
Very good.
And I show the shapes and unfold the paper.
Okay. Unfold it and make it straight. Yes.
There. This is my paper.
Mm-hmm. Okay. The last activity.
And I wrote it. Shape and it got line. And this is a heart. Then I will draw a heart with one line. What has it become? I'll draw one line. Ta-da!
Okay.
So now and it's mirror reflection. Yeah, and it's under mirror reflection.
So when you see in the mirror, what it becomes? Right become left. Left become? Yes.
So if this is a heart and it turns upside down.
Yes.
Now if this is a left, right arrow and it suddenly turns left. Then this is a up arrow, then it turns what down arrow. Now I got what is analogies. If this is a circle and I got one And this is a square. And I put 1/4. If you divide it into one, let's say this is a square and I divide it into two parts. And you can keep dividing.
It's called division or fractions, right?
It's called division or fractions. See? See? How many are these?
Many.
We cannot count them. It's too many. So, this is the end of this video. If you want to watch, you watch my Analogies video, if you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe. Anyone can subscribe it. So, hands up. Bye-bye. I'll be back with 10 times 100. I'll be back with 10 times 100. Then we'll do it up to 200. So, bye-bye.